Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Love Lies by Khalid and Normani. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D minor, A minor, B flat major, and F major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D minor. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord that we're going to learn is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is going to be B flat major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. And our last chord for this song is F major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be D minor for 5 beats, A minor for 3 beats, B flat major for 5 beats, and F major for 3 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, up, tap, up, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern on the D minor chord. Down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up. And now let's play that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's try playing that strumming pattern a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Love Lies. Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need somebody to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my eye, but I've been waiting for you for my whole lifetime, for my whole lifetime. Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see your focus, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You've got something to say and I'm here to listen, so baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Love Lies by Khalid and Normani. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.